In case you don't know where to get your design from, don't worry about it. Here are 3 great resources to get a timeline cover for free or for just a few bucks, and even a profile picture or a logo. So the first resource is Fiverr. Fiverr is the cheapest solution from the paid ones, and well, you can get a stunning fan page design for no more than $5. Okay, so just enter fan page design on fiverr.com in the search bar, and then just select a seller with a top rating, right? Like this one has more than 2,000 ratings, 2,000 5-star ratings, and so on. Long story short, if you hate doing the design yourself, and if you really want to invest just $5 for a professional design, then just check out Fiverr and, well, book a gig. The seller will get in touch with you. He will request information for you, and usually it takes like 2-3 days, depending on the seller, and then you will get your design sent to your inbox. Okay, so Fiverr is a great resource. The next website is called 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a little bit more pricey, but I think it's one of the best design resources out there. So go to 99 Designs and then check out the categories here. Now, in case you don't even have a logo that you can showcase on your profile picture, right? Like here. These are fan page covers. In case you have nothing to put in here, probably you will need a logo designed. Then select this package here. In case you have a logo already and you just need basically the timeline cover and somebody to put the logo into a profile picture, right? Then you want to go to app design and select Facebook cover from the drop down. You can get a really professional timeline cover profile picture for like $39, which is like nothing. Okay, and these guys do really terrific work. Actually, when you book a package, something like a contest will start, so you will not only get one design, but like a dozen of designs to choose from depending on the package that you get. If you even go for one of the more expensive ones, 99 Designs will assign a design manager who will help you to select the best design. So you provide a bunch of information about your business, what you want, and so on, and then you will get like dozens of different designs to choose from. Then you just get one that you like, and that's it. And besides that, 99 Designs has even a 100% refund guarantee. So if you don't like the design for any reason, hey, you even don't have to pay for it. Okay? And well, in case you don't even want to spend $5 on Fiverr and you say, hey, 99 Designs is a little bit too expensive, there's a tool called Canva.com. Canva.com is a free tool that you can use to design like different things and even a Facebook cover. So just go to Canva.com, open an account, and click on Facebook cover. Now, if you log in, they have a short intro that will explain how it works, but it's pretty easy. So you can just select different layouts. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. They just cost like $1, but they have a ton of free layouts. So you can just drag and drop it to this free space here, right? You can add some text, right? You have headlines, subheadlines, and different text elements here that you can use. You can select a different background, and you can even upload a photo, a background picture. Okay, and if you're done, just click on download and you can export the file, and you didn't have to, and created a great timeline cover for free. So if you want to do the design yourself, go with Canva, and if you have a little bit of money to spend, then go with Fiverr or 99 Designs. I can highly recommend all 3 resources.